Yes, thank you, ma'am. हो गया. हाँ जी बेटे, please write down. Yes, those who are at home, बेटे, please note down the values. Find the coefficient of correlation between X and Y series from the given data. If X variable is 10, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13, 11, 9. I am repeating 10, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13, 11, 9. Y variable is 9, 4, 6, 9, 11, 13, 8 and 4. Use direct method. Y variable is 9, 4, 6, 9, 11, 13, 8 and 4. You have to apply direct method to study this correlation. हर्षित अभी फॉर्मूला नहीं याद हुआ बेटे? डायरेक्ट मेथड नहीं हुआ? Direct method is, I am writing on the board, you can check. R is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by under root sigma x minus x bar whole square again under root sigma y minus y bar whole square. फॉर्मूला को याद करिए, इतने इतने क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. द ओनली पर्पज इज टू लर्न द फॉर्मूला. Now x bar is sigma x over n, y bar is sigma y over n. N means number of pairs. Yes, bete, all of you. Let me check. Please keep your cameras on, videos on. Kashvi also. Ranjal, Prabjot, Janvi, Sanchi, keep your videos on, bete. बेटे आपने इकट्ठे ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो? पेपर इकट्ठे देना दोनों ने एक सीट पे बैठ के. अक्षित एंड हर्षित. All others are doing separately. Why not you? Harshit, sit properly. Don't keep your arm there. Yes, Arman, straight. Number of pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Value of n is 8. Any one of you who can tell value of sigma x? 8080. 8080. तो x बार हो जाएगा 80 divided by 8, that is 10. What is sigma y? 54. 64. 64 to be divided by 8, तो y का मीन आ जाएगा, that too will be 8. एक का मीन हो गया 10, एक का मीन हो गया 8. In case value comes in point, then you are free to round off the value. Don't like I say why in horizontal form. तो पेपर में स्पेस पे जाने के लिए वैसे also not really important. मुझे तो लग रहा था कि we have spent many days on this topic, but after seeing the screen, मुझे लगता है आपको समझ नहीं आया. अक्षय बेटे आगे बढ़ो. आपके पास फर्स्ट पे आगे बढ़ना. Especially with long year play करके आई ऐसे के लिए बात भी सोचे हैं. तुम्हें क्लास के बाद भी नहीं कर सकते. Yes, Manya, can you tell the values of x minus x bar column, whole square column?
0,
Manya, please speak loudly, as loud as you can.
0, 16, 1, 0, 4, 9, 1, 1.
Okay. Any one of you who has calculated? Hanji Muskan. X minus x bar whole square. Please come here. Manya, please cross check. यहाँ के बोलिए. मनी क्रॉस चेक भी तो करना है ना.
0, 16, 1, 0, 4, 9, 1, 1.
ठीक है जी. Okay, very right. Yes, any one of you y minus y bar whole square. Vasudev, please come here. आप next column बोलेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ जी. Now please check y minus y bar whole square column.
1, 16, 4, 1, 9, 25, 0, 16.
Is it okay? ठीक है जी. Okay. Now please calculate x minus x bar into y minus y bar column. Last column. Anyone? You have to come here on the dais so that students at home they can also cross check. Jasmine, can you come? Right. Yes, all are requested to cross check the values.
0, 16, 2, 0, 6, 9, 0, 4.
एक बार फिर से बोलो आराम से.
0, 16, 2, 0, 6, 9, 0, 4.
राइट बेटे? ठीक है? Okay. I think she has spoken one wrong value. You can cross check again. Last column x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is 0, 16, 2, 0, 6, 15, 0, 4. I hope it is right. Okay. Okay. Now let us put the values. It will be R is equal to 43, 43 I have taken. 43 divided by 36. 32. 72. These are the values which we have got after submitting, after making the summation of all these values. So now you have two options. Either you can calculate their roots separately, 2 digits तक कर ले, 1 digit तक कर ले, राउंड ऑफ नहीं करना, फिर जो प्रॉपरली आ रहा है वैसे ही रख ले, ठीक है? या तो आप सेपरेटली करके यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई देम, और बट आई फील इजी, जो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है, वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दीज 32 एंड 72, फिर इकट्ठा रूट निकाल बजाय सेपरेट करने के। रेस्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर विश। यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई 32 into 72. Don't discuss. No discussion about it. It's multiplied करके value is coming 2304. 2304 अब उसका रूट निकालना है। Yes, बेटे, when you multiply 48 रूट निकाल के ये आ गया 43 by 48, ठीक है? अब आप इसको डिवाइड कर दें, 0.0 समथिंग आएगा, आई थिंक आई मे बी रॉन्ग ऑल्सो, 1 नहीं आएगा। 43 को वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय लार्जर नंबर, तो 1 तो नहीं आ सकता। Yes, बेटे, if any one of you have got the answer, you can tell.
0.89.
0.89.
Okay, 0.89, ठीक है? एक मिनट, क्लास वाले बच्चे भी चेक कर ले। हाँ जी बेटे, प्लीज चेक क्विकली। 0.89. I am taking round also, so whenever you are not able to see me, that means I am there on round. So 0.89. But I request you to check yourself. Anji, Harshita, Drishti, Pranjal, have you got with it? Got this answer? Okay, very nice. Anji, Sanya, Prabjot, Kashvi, Janvi, are you getting the answer? Your photo is still okay. Anji, again answer. Especially those who are doing, and those who are just passing time, they will never get answer. सारी एज भी लगे हैं तो भी नहीं आएगा आपका, है? चलिए, सेम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, सेम मेथड, बट वैल्यूज आर डिफरेंट। मुझे तो लगा था कि वी विल डू वन क्वेश्चन तो काम हो जाएगा, बट आई एम रियली वेरी शॉक्ड टू सी कि आपको कैलकुलेशन का नहीं है सर सिस्टम ऑफ। दैट मीन्स व्हेन टीचर टीचेस ऑनलाइन, तो आप हाँ जी करके आप काम चला लेते हैं। Values of variable x are 10, 12, 8, 10, 12, 8, 15, 20, 25, 40. And y की values are 15, 10, 6, 15, 10, 6, 25, 16, 12 and 8. use direct method. Same method जिससे अभी किया था. I repeat the values of x variable. They are 10, 12, 8, 15, 20, 25, 40. Y की values are 15, 10, 6, 25, 16, 12 and 8. First of all, count the number of pairs. Then find sigma x, sigma y, then their mean. Please do without speaking.
Ma'am, we have to apply direct method.
Yes, we did direct method, same method. Because those students who are sitting in the class, they are unable to calculate when I am checking them. That is why more practice is required. Yes, anyone who has got sigma x 130? Okay, and number of items are pairs are 7. So 130 to be divided by 7. What is the answer? 18.5. So that means mean will be equal to 19. 18.5 है, 18.5 अगर आ रहा है तो राउंड ऑफ करना पड़ेगा 19. Mean is x bar is equal to 1990. X bar 19. Similarly, y bar निकालिए 13.1 आ रहा है तो 1.5 से लेस है, so that value will remain same. That means 13. So y bar is equal to 13. Okay. Yes. Mathematically, I have told you earlier also. But will you stop your discussion? Last. You have come to attend both yourself or to attend the teacher? I thought कि after so many months some change will be there, but वो आया ही नहीं अभी तक है. Otherwise, we should go ahead with the point. Mathematically, जो correct way है, maths में आपको correction से ही बताते हैं ना पूरा चलना है. But only to save time and to save complexity, we can round off. ठीक है? But maths में आपको teacher वैसे ही बताते हैं, correct वही तरीका है. But यहाँ पर सिर्फ time बचाने के लिए. चलिए be fast. Okay, hardly 4 or 5 minutes are left. So please try to complete this question. I have written the answer also in case bell goes in between and we are not able to finish, then you have to do this question at home. You will get this answer minus 0.17. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस हो सकता है यहाँ 7 की जगह कुछ और भी हो सकता है बिकॉज हमने राउंड ऑफ कर लिया ना तो यहाँ पे difference is possible, but 0.1 तो certainly it will be there. Please avoid overwriting, cutting. Please find the totals for me, so that at least we put the values. हाँ जी हर्षित, have you got the totals? सिमरन जी, टोटल आ गया आपके पास? Yes, all these check. Total we have got sigma x minus x square whole square 745.
Yes.
Then sigma y minus y whole square 481. And 481. और इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट है that is minus 58. आप अपना चेक कर लीजिए दो इयर्स का है ठीक है. So I am going to write on the board r is equal to minus 58 divided by 745 into 485. मुझे नहीं पता, आई डोंट नो. अगर if this is wrong you please tell. ये वाला, ये वाली 241. That's why I am asking कि आप अपने आप को check करें. Because if your total is wrong, तो आप फॉर्मूला ठीक भी लगाओ तो भी मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे फिर आपके. All are requested to check 745 and sigma y minus y bar whole square 241. Earlier value was wrong, 241. Now you can multiply these two or separately as per your wish. Anyone who has got the product of these? If you have multiplied. Minus 58 divided by. हाँ जी उसका 179 545 minus 58 नहीं एक मिनट all please check minus 58 is correct or some other value is coming. I have told you earlier also, if somebody has not calculated rightly, others are requested to tell. Yes, bete, those who are at home, you can also point out. Check कर लीजिए ये minus 58 is right or wrong? Minus 76 है. Sanya, 76 minus?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you find its root. ठीक है? रूट निकाल के जो भी आएगा उससे आपने -76 को डिवाइड करना है. Then you will get this answer -0.17 की जगह कुछ और भी हो सकता है क्योंकि हमने राउंड ऑफ कर लिया तो थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो सकता है यहाँ पे. ठीक. So now Sukhjeet ma'am, you can end the meeting because bell has gone.